Hi everyone, I'm Khalid Ahmed from CSC department and G section. I would first like to thank Professor Riaz sir, the principal of HKBK college, and I would like to thank Humanity department which arranged the program for us, and I would like to thank CS department for letting us participate and get involved in this program, and I would like to thank all the participants, staffs, and teachers, professors, and whoever got involved, volunteers, everyone. I'm very grateful because every every single part of it taught me something valuable. From innovation design thinking, taught us the ideas which we could develop in difficult times, problem solving skills, uh, strategies how to manage any kind of situation, from 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps, and 7 steps of innovation and design thinking plans, strategies. And then we got to HR departments, strategies how to face the HRs and how to propagate our ideas to them and how to win any kind of situation. And after that we had quantum technologies. We were introduced to many kind of technologies. Along that we got introduced to VLSI, embedded systems, and IoT, which were very great. Along that, cyber security, which were very great. And in that I learned many things about the new designings and new inventions and new creative things. And it is not about just these things coming up, it also requires finances, management, and all of that. So for that we got corporate finances and management. So engineers don't only need to have a technical background to succeed in some fields, they also need to have management skills, business skills. So we had management soft skills and business English languages, communications, to manage all sort of skills, to flourish in every field and be entrepreneurs, to be the leading factors of our generation and be the leading pioneers of our generation. I'm very thankful for everyone and everything, and because they taught me to how to manage risk, how to manage all kind of situations with problems. I'm very thankful, I'm very grateful for this. Thank you very much.